na parang built-in na sa inyo. Sige, live. That's kind of hard. So guys, meron ba tayong mga questions for them? Dito. A comment from Asa...
Bakit?
Bakit manok?
Manok and duck. Bakit ba?
Kasi ang buhok ko, parang
siya
manok.
si Man.
Parang manok.
Okay,
Parang
okay.
manok.
Siya,
Tapos duck.
may dance
Parang
siya.
Okay.
Ito pa.
Ayan na.
From Marby. Parang Zanessa and Bretzy.
Ha?
Kaya naman pala eh. Ano pa ba dito?
Ngayong plan ni Fritzy,
Oo nga.
umuwi ng Cebu. Ano?
Ito, from
At
Bretzy.
magpabalik-balik lang sa Manila. You plan to keep in touch and still see each other.
Kaya na kayo... Taga-Cebu ba kayo? Sino yung taga-Cebu?
Brett and
Ako
Fritzy.
po,
Oh, you're from Cebu.
Yeah, babalik na po ako sa Cebu, then pabalik-balik sa Manila, and then, yeah, it's my guestings and tapings. So,
Wow!
magkakita-kita pa.
Iba na talaga. Nag-level up ka na. So anyways, let's see, ito. Go Ivan and go keep tabs
Sorry.
sa ASAP,
Sorry wala ko sa ASAP.
So guys, this is my personal question, ano yung talents nyo, like individually? Like, I don't really know. Individually, your talents. Let's start from...
Sample!
Let's
Go!
Kasi alam namin si Simon B, magsasample mamaya eh.
Ay, sample?
Bibigyan sila ng sample.
Parang
ng
boses.
But anyway,
Ayun,
so...
Okay, sige.
Sige,
Ikaw din, bro, Sample. Tingnan niyo yung album mo.
konting-konting ano lang.
I want to hear,
Side
I know one of these songs. That Girl, I know that song.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's
That
my
Girl.
first single.
I know
But,
that, bro. I saw the music video din.
really,
Galing,
yeah. Miss Heidi
Ganda.
Riego, who's in
Yes.
the video. Yep.
Girlfriend
Anyways,
ni John. Anyways.
yeah, si John. Anyway, guys, I want to know your talents, like your individual talents. Let's start from you, Brett.
Songwriting, guitar, and singing.
Wow, you're a
That's
writer.
right, that's right.
Oh, yeah, I know you
Galing,
guys
bro.
play the guitar.
Sample.
That's good.
May gitara, standby. Gitara. Wala akong dalang gitara. Sorry.
So,
Go.
okay, so you just write your own songs. Wow, that's a big achievement. Actually, you have your own album, no? Hopefully, sa
Hopefully.
Sa Star
I'm
Records,
sure.
bigyan niyo siya ng break, di ba? Or
It'd be cool to work with Sam, you know?
Huh?
It'd be cool to work with you. Work
Collaborate daw
together.
kayo.
Wanna work together? Sige, bro.
Ako rin. Sana. Ako sana. But anyway, you, miss?
Playing the piano and dancing.
Wow, that's
Piano
good.
pala.
Piano. Huh?
Acting.
Acting. Oh, okay. And you, Sir Ivan.
I think acting. Sana. I mean,
Acting.
I took some classes, but I still get to test them.
Okay. Alright. Wait kami question kay Pao.
You guys will. Yeah, sample, bro.
Go,
Sample daw.
Brett.
Simple
So-
enough song.
Medyo hilaan natin kuya yung music para makasample naman si Brett.
Sige.
Ano talagang out eh.
I'm in love the first time I lay my eyes on you. I sure do. There's nothing I can do. I'm in love with you.
Galing. Star Records, Miss Annabelle, if you're watching. Si Brett,
Cool.
So, may mga questions tayo. Saan dito? So, Bunny Girl.
Kayo na ba?
Brett, kayo na ba na Fritzy? Wah! Grabe, akala ko si Zac Efron and Vanessa ang napanood ko. Love you both, bunnies. Love you both, bunnies.
Friends lang po muna.
We're friends.
Daw.
Muna.
Oh.
Muna.
Pao.
Friends.
Ivan, why are you so hot?
Friends lang.
Friends.
Oh my God.
Walang fan. Diyan ang fan.
Wala ba mga questions for Ivan and Trisha? Guys, ano naman mga questions sa kanila para we'll know. Ivan, please do a shout out to your
303.
303
500 fans.
Wow. We love 303 500 fans. We love you. That's a
I love you guys too.
whole lot of numbers. Okay, start off for me. Twitter, YoungJV Official, and also sa Facebook, YoungJV. Just type in YoungJV. And Younglinks, sa lahat ng mga Youngling fans ko, please log into Younglinks.
Ako actually, MIA ako sa Twitter ngayon. Matagal na. I've been missing in action sa Twitter, but I will
Papa
try
E!
to...
Papa P in the building!
Welcome, Mr.
Papa P
Pio
in the
Lascra.
building!
Song number, bro. Okay. Kailangan kita. Anyways, but my Twitter is Samuel Melby. Not just Sam, Samuel Melby. Kasi Someone took Sam already, Sam Melby. So I had to...
Daming Sam kasi.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I guess there's another Sam Melby in the world.
That's
And
true.
also, I do want to plug, syempre, yung show ko, Impostor, every day. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng show namin. It'll be until August pa. At marami pang mangyayari in the upcoming weeks. Grabe. So, abangan niyo po. And please keep supporting Impostor after Rosalca every day, 3:45 p.m.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Brett, do you have a Twitter? Nakalaga ko na ba Twitter, Facebook?
Off topic, I heard they used one of my songs in Imposter.
What song?
I think Simple Melody or Blue. I heard
I
just
don't know.
rumor.
I'm not able to watch my own show.
Sige,
That'd be
I'm
bigyan.
not even able to watch my own
Christian
show.
Batista, ladies and gentlemen.
Alas.
Yeah,
Right now, I don't have any Twitter or Facebook, so but I'll be
Soon,
coming out with
they'll
one.
update, yeah.
yeah, y'all should have some Twitter. I bet.
You need to.
I'll work on that.
Bro, can you
Dito,
actually come up
kailangan
here?
dito eh.
No, stand here in the front, actually. Front here. Just don't move. Stand here.
Alam mo, dapat prepared ka sa ano eh, sa extension
So we
eh.
need, ayan, ganun.
Ah, si Christian Batista
If
pala
you,
yung
pumapay
fan man
lang.
ko.
Ganun lang. It's
Siya pala
okay.
yung nagba-
Ha?
Meron kami question or bet. Ito, from you pala. Hi Sam, hope you can have a number with Brett in Asap
Yeah, that'd be
Fashionistas.
fun.
Yeah, sweet. That'd be
Galing,
cool.
galing.
Acoustic number.
Acoustic
Huh?
number. Yeah, got ya.
Ito guys, or bet. Hi Ritzy, who do you admire the most among the housemates? One for Pinoy housemates and one from the teen international housemate. My sister in Cebu adores you much. TFC Dubai loves you.
Oh, sa,
Sino ba? Ito na. Kung bigat
like
na.
admire.
Admire.
Oh, sa Pinoy,
Crush or-
maybe
Love. Sabay
si Ivan Lurzer.
Salamat, Fred.
And sa internationals, si Brett.
Cool.
Oh!
Wow.
Admire.
Kinikilig ako dito.
Ano yan?
Anyway,
Sino
Nicole.
crush mo?
Yun na lang.
Sino
Sino
crush
crush mo?
mo?
Period.
I'm sure gusto. Alam niyo mga...
Wala po.
Ha? Nahiya ka lang, ha?
Wala.
Sige na. Lalabas yun ng Shishel. Ito from Nicole. Hi, Ivan, hindi ka ba nagsiselos sa Bretzy? Hehehehe. Hindi ka ba nagsiselos daw?
Hindi.
Hibate na
No,
daw.
of course, they're my friends.
And guys, friends sila. Kayo naman, mga crush
nga.
sila. Mga...
I wasn't able to watch. There wasn't any like, love is in the air na nangyari sa loob ng bahay. I mean, no couples na... Huh? There's nothing, there's no... happy birthday to my road manager, Ate Cres.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
She's so wonderful talaga. As in, grabe siya. She works so hard for me. So happy birthday. I love you. Later.
Ito,
Anyways.
Okay.
Ay, no. I'm curious kasi, syempre, you guys spend so much time together in the house. And every single season, syempre, I mean, because you're always in the house together, there's a lot of, people fall in love, people, at least parang ganon. Was there anybody that, parang got together inside the house?
Ryan and Jenny.
Ryan and
Ryan and
Jenny.
Jenny.
Ryan
for
and
sure.
Jenny? Oh, sa inyo, wala? Sino? Ano yun?
Ryan and Jenny.
Ryan and
Yun
Jenny.
lang. Yun lang.
That's our story.
Baka Trisha and Ivan.
I think so.
Go, Traven!
Sa start lang, di ba? Pero ngayon,
Pero
Kayo din.
sa buong season,
sila.
Bakit hindi natuloy yung
Kasi
kayong
po,
dalawa? Kasi
issues.
Ha?
Di ba?
issues.
Stuff.
Can work those issues out.
Mag-greet na lang po
Trivan.
tayo.
Trivan. Ayun, go Trivan from Kim.
Oh, what? Huh?
Trivan. Ayun, yun yung pangalan ng love team nila, bro. Combine.
Trisha, who is your celebrity crush?
Um,
Celebrity crush mo?
I'm interested. Who is it?
Aside from sa amin, Young JV.
Wait lang.
Talaga?
Hindi po.
Joke lang!